eternal life, and you blow. You let it all go to your head.
I know, Peter. I guess it turns out I'm just as human as anyone else.
Yeah, well, what we do now?
You want the truth? I think it's time for me to go. This world's not ready for me yet, and I'm not ready for it. I don't know. Maybe I'll try coming back in another 1,000 years, when I'm a little more mature.
Very mature thing to say right there.
Sit here and keep going.
Shot at till after the
Before I go, Peter, there's something I want to keep you. Hold out your hands.
That one. Got like 7 or 8 actually. I shot 5 in there.
Ow!